How to make donuts. Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. This is Olayemi Cooking. I'm going to show you how to fry donuts. This is a homemade donut recipe. So let's start preparing our donut. I'll be using all-purpose flour to prepare our donut. So I'll start by saving our all-purpose flour because I don't want any dirt to be in our donut recipe. So this is an easy donut recipe and you are going to enjoy every step of this donut. It's a Nigeria delicious donut and this is how I make my homemade Nigeria donut recipe. So after saving it, then we'll move to the other step. Please let me know where you are watching this video from in the comment section. So I'm going to go ahead and add the sugar. All these ingredients will be in the description below. Please remember to check it, and a powder milk. This is optional, but I like adding powder milk and some nutmeg as well. The nutmeg is optional. Actually, Nigeria do not really call for nutmeg. We really add the nutmeg. If you don't have, you can skip it. So after mixing it, I'm going to add yeast. All these ingredients, please check it in the description below. I'm going to add it in the description below. Why missing this? If you've not liked this video, please remember to like. So I'll go ahead and mix my egg. I'll be using room temperature egg, and also I'll be using a liquid milk as well. You can add vanilla flavor to it to give it a nice flavor. So I'm going to step my wet ingredients aside, which is my egg. So I'll go ahead and add my egg into my dry ingredients, which is my already mixed egg. Then I'll combine my ingredients then before adding my liquid milk. Please, if you've not liked this video, remember to like, and please remember to share. I'm going to add my liquid milk into the dough to get our donut dough. Why missing this? If you have any question, please drop it down in the comment section. I'm here to answer any of your questions regarding this recipe or any of my recipe, and please feel free to watch more of my recipe. I post weekly videos. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this until everything is perfectly mixed to get our donut dough. So I'll also be using a butter, a room temperature butter. All the ingredients and all the measurements will be in this description below. Remember to check it out as well. So I'll be mixing this gently to get a perfect donut dough. This is a easy Nigeria donut. We really like donut. Excuse me. We really like donuts in parties and anywhere. It's a perfect Nigeria snack and you are going to enjoy it. So in a surface, I'm going to add some flour just to work my dough a little. Then I'm going to portion my dough into smaller size. So this is the outcome of a donut dough. Then I'm going to portion my donut into smaller size. You can use a scale to measure this if you have a scale, or you can use a dough cutter to cut your dough as well. You can use knife. You can feel free to use anything to cut your dough to get equal size of your donut. So I'll cut this into smaller size to get a perfect cut. So I'll show you what I normally do when I'm making a donut. Feel free to ask questions about this recipe. I'm here to help as well. So remember to share this video and remember to subscribe to encourage us to do more. So after cutting it, I'm going to just roll it and trap little air into the dough and step it aside, just as I'm doing in this video. So it's an easy homemade Nigeria donut recipe and you are going to love every bite of it. So this is the outcome after putting it in a tray. So I'm going to cover it for 30 minutes so it should just rise out. You can see it's risen once this size. So I'll go back to the surface and add some flour. I don't want it to be sticky to the surface, so that's why I'm adding some flour on the surface. So I'm going to be showing you easy tools I normally use. I'm going to be using a cover, so put a hole to it. Sometimes you can use your finger, but I just want to show you some. If you don't have donut cutter or donut dough cutter, so you can use simple tools that you have at home, just the way I'm doing in the video. So this is how I'm going to cut my dough all the donut to get a donut shape. So this is the outcome after doing this. I'm going to repeat the process until I get all the dough cut. So I'm going to show you how to fry donut as well. So after doing this, you can, as you can see, the shape of the donut, we have gotten the shape of the donut. So we'll go straight and leave this for 45 minutes and allow it to rise twice the size. Then we'll start frying it. So this is the outcome before we start frying it. So if you have any question, please feel free to drop it in the comment section, and remember to share this video. Remember to like. I enjoy making Nigerian recipe and so many recipes, so it's a perfect Nigerian dough that you are going to love. You can see it really looks good. So let's start frying it by adding oil into our pan. So just check if the oil is hot, and you can see it's forming out a little bit bubbles. While frying your donut, please remember to reduce the flame to a medium flame. You don't really need too much heat to fry your donut. You just need a medium heat to fry your donut, and be patient while you are frying your donut. So you can see why it is in the oil is going to rise automatically twice the size. Then you flip it to the other side to get a perfect golden color. You can see the heat is not that too much in the oil while frying it. So this is a method of frying your donut. You do not need too much heat to fry it. You can see once one side is golden brown, you flip it to the other side until you get all the donut fried. So this donut is ready. I'm going to remove it from the oil. You can see everything is golden brown. Then I'm going to transfer it into a paper towel to extract the oil from it. Then we'll proceed to the other step of our donuts. So until we finish frying all our donuts. So this is another set of 8, another batch of the donut. So I'm going to fry all my donut dough to get that perfect donut. You can do a sugar donut, the one that you spread sugar on it, or you can also do a chocolate donut. My children like either the sugar donut or the chocolate donut. They are a lover of Nigerian snacks, Nigerian donut. They love homemade donut. So this is the outcome of our donut. I'm just going to add some powdered sugar, powdered sugar on the surface of the donut. So that is the outcome of it, the other side of the plate. And you can also do the plain donut. So this is the outcome of the sugar donut. You can see it really come out really good. You can as well make the chocolate donut. Any topping you want to put on your donut, feel free to do it, or you can fill in the chocolate inside your donut. So this is the outcome of the donut. I hope you enjoyed the donut recipe. Let me know what you think about this donut recipe in the comment section. My kids can't even wait to enjoy this delicious Nigeria donut snacks. It's an easy homemade donut snacks that you are going to enjoy every bite of the donut. I really love sharing more recipe with you. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you really enjoyed this recipe, and please let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. This is the donut after taking a bite of it. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you next time, and bye bye.